Spectrum cable box error code E8 indicates a signal or connectivity problem preventing your box from receiving content. First, check all coaxial cable connections to the box and wall, ensuring they are tight. A loose connection is the most common cause. Next, restart your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in to reset the tuner. If you use a cable card for premium channels, ensure it is properly seated in the box. Finally, if Spectrum offers it in your area, use the Signal Boost feature in the Spectrum app for remote troubleshooting. These steps resolve most E8 errors immediately. Remember, this error means the box is not receiving a signal, so addressing the physical connection is crucial. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, delve deeper by removing any unnecessary splitters between the wall and the cable box, as they weaken the signal. If signal strength is consistently low, consider using a bidirectional amplifier to boost the signal. Check the signal strength via the box's on-screen diagnostics, usually in settings under signal strength. Optimal levels are between -10 and +10 dBm/V. Keep your box's firmware updated via the settings menu to ensure compatibility and fixes. Looking ahead, the cable industry is shifting to streaming and fiber, reducing reliance on traditional cable boxes. Spectrum's fiber upgrades aim to eliminate coax-related issues like E8 entirely. AI-powered diagnostics are also on the horizon, potentially predicting and preventing these errors before they occur. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support for a technician visit.